Hey guys, welcome back. For this next lecture, we're going to be learning about the fill handle. Now, the fill handle is an incredible tool that I think most people just haven't yet learned to use creatively. I think most people use it for very, very basic things, but don't really see its potential. Now, if you get very creative, this thing will absolutely just change the way you do Excel. You'll be able to do things in seconds that other people will take hours to do sometimes. So, what the fill handle does is it determines patterns in your information and forecasts the next set. Okay, for example, if you type in Monday, then Tuesday, then Wednesday, Excel is going to guess that the next day is Thursday. So it's pretty cool. But you can also take it a step further. You can go at different increments. For example, you can type in 0, 10, 20, and then it's going to guess that the next number is 30, right? You can do this for decimal places, you can do this for formulas, even formatting you can do this. But for now, let's do the basics. So before we use the fill handle, what I'm going to type in is 1 through 7 manually, okay? So we can compare how long it takes as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now that took a little while. Now imagine if you had 1,000. You're not gonna do that one by one. So what you use is the fill handle. So let me show you. Let's delete some of these. Okay, we're gonna guess. Well, not us. Excel is gonna guess the next number. So to do this, you gotta select more than one for a pattern. So let's select two and 3. Excel is going to guess the number 4, then the number 5. So the fill handle is, if you look at this black outline, you'll see this little black square on the bottom right corner. If you put your cursor on top of it, you get a black cross. You want to click that and drag down. As you can see, the number 4 has already popped up. Number 5, 6, and 7. There you go. So initially, what took 5 seconds to do all those numbers, we can potentially do that in a fraction of the time. That's the power of Excel. So let me do that again. Okay, let's this time do it for day. So let's type in a random day. Let's type in the 3rd of the 7th, 2014. Okay, now the next one, we'll do the next day. 4th of the 7th, 2014. Now, for some reason, this formatting is not the same, so let me just apply that. Now, we want to guess the next day and so on. Okay? So, again, we highlight the 2 that's going to create the pattern. We grab the fill handle on the bottom right corner, and we drag. And as you can see, Excel's already calculating. You can see that little text box that's popped up. And there you go. You filled it up. Now, let's do the days. This time I'm going to show you guys a little bit of a trick. So, start by typing in Thursday in the first cell. Okay? Now, because it's a day, and for certain things, Excel doesn't need to guess, or it doesn't need more than one set of data. So, it's automatically going to guess the next day is Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and so on. There you go. That took nothing. That took 1 second, 2 seconds. Now let's do that again. Now the trick I'm going to show you is this. If there's already data in your table, right? You know you're going to fill it all the way to the end, right? Excel also knows this. So the shortcut is this. If you select Thursday, you go on top of your fill handle and you double click. It'll automatically fill it. So that's an awesome shortcut to fill in very large sets of data. Very large. So imagine if you had not just 4 to 10 rows, but you had thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands, right? You could fill the entire table with just this fill handle, and it'll only take you 1 second, maybe 2 if you're having a bad day. This little trick alone will totally put you above the competition. Nobody will be able to touch you. The more creative you are with this, the better you will be at Excel. Alright guys, that's it from me. I hope you enjoyed and got something out of using the fill handle. It's absolutely incredible. Use it as often as you can and see how creative you can get. Alright guys, I will see you next time.